Let us read the following sentences. Number 1. She divides it equally to her two children. How did she divide it? Very good. She divides it equally. Number 2. They celebrated his success happily. How did they celebrate? Very good. Happily. Equally and happily are what we call adverbs of manner. So this morning, let us study about the adverbs of manner. What is an adverb of manner? Very good. An adverb of manner tells how an action is done. It answers the question how. Most adjectives form into adverb of manner by adding ly. Example, careful becomes carefully. Silent becomes silently. So we add ly to the adjective. For adjectives that ends in y, we will change y to I and add ly. For example, happy becomes happily. We change the y into I, then add ly. Next, easy. Easy becomes easily because we change y to I and add ly becomes easily. For adjectives that ends in e, we will remove the e and add ly. For example, simple. Remove the e and add ly, simply. Gentle. Remove the e and add ly, gently. Some adjectives that ends in e will not remove e. We will just add ly. For example, safe becomes safely. We will not remove the e because if we remove e, it will no longer be read as safe. So we will retain e. Next, polite becomes politely. Next, wise becomes wisely. We will just add ly and retain the e. For irregular adjectives, we will not add ly. For example, good. To become adverb, will. Fast, fast. Hard, hard. Late, late. Straight, straight. For your activity, complete the table. Change the adjectives into adverb of manner. Now, let us answer number 1. Quick becomes very good, quickly. How about number 2? Careful. Very good. Careful becomes carefully. How about number 3? Correct. Correct becomes correctly. Number 4. Noisy. Very good. Noisily. We change the y to I and add ly. Next, possible. Very good. Possibly. We remove e and add ly. Wow! Great job, kids! For our activity 2, use the following adverbs of manner in a sentence. Number 1, slowly. Number 2, quickly. Number 3, silently. Number 4, peacefully. And number 5, lovingly.